This MCQ explanation series is brought to you by Shomu's Biology. Your success, our mission. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our Shomu's Biology channel to get more of these CSIR NET Life Science LSBT lectures for free.
Biochemistry questions. 1. Which amino acid is most likely found in the turns of a beta sheet due to its unique structural properties? Leucine, tryptophan, proline, phenylalanine. Answer. Proline. Proline's rigid cyclic structure promotes kinks and is often located in V-turns, especially at the second residue position. 2. What does the Michaelis constant COMAT represent in enzyme kinetics? Substrate concentration at Vmax, substrate concentration when the reaction rate is half of Vmax, maximum rate of the enzyme catalyzed reaction, affinity of enzyme to inhibitor. Answer. Substrate concentration when the reaction rate is half of Vmax, Km reflects the substrate level at which the reaction reaches half of Vmax, indicating enzyme affinity. 3. Which vitamin is not directly used as a coenzyme in the TCA cycle? Thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, pyridoxine, B6, niacin, B3. Answer. Pyridoxine, B6. Vitamin B6 primarily functions in amino acid metabolism and not directly in the TCA cycle like B1, B2 and B3. 4. What does the Bohr effect describe in relation to hemoglobin function? pH and CO2 on hemoglobin's affinity for O2, temperature on enzyme kinetics, bicarbonate buffering of blood, partial pressure of O2 on CO2 release. Answer. pH and CO2 on hemoglobin's affinity for O2. Increased CO2 or decreased pH lowers hemoglobin's O2 affinity, facilitating oxygen delivery to tissues.
Are you enjoying these test questions? Then you can join our online mock test series from Shomu's Biology. Download the app now or contact the given number in the screen.
5. Which enzyme listed does not consume ATP as a substrate? Hexokinase, glucokinase, pyruvate kinase, phosphofructokinase 1. Answer. Pyruvate kinase. It generates ATP by converting PP to pyruvate, while the others consume ATP to phosphorylate intermediates. 6. Which lipid serves as the direct precursor for prostaglandin synthesis? Sphingolipids, triglycerides, cholesterol, arachidonic acid. Answer. Arachidonic acid. This omega-6 fatty acid is released from membrane phospholipids and converted to prostaglandins via the COX pathway. 7. Which statement regarding the urea cycle is correct? It occurs exclusively in the cytosol. One of its intermediates is ornithine. Urea is synthesized directly from ammonia. It only requires one ATP molecule. Answer. One of its intermediates is ornithine. Ornithine is regenerated during the cycle, which spans both mitochondria and cytosol and uses 3 ATP equivalents. 8. Which is true regarding uncompetitive enzyme inhibition? Competitive inhibition increases Vmax. Non-competitive inhibition increases Km. Uncompetitive inhibition decreases both Km and Vmax. Mixed inhibition has no effect on enzyme kinetics. Answer. Uncompetitive inhibition decreases both Km and Vmax. This inhibition type binds the enzyme substrate complex, uniquely reducing both kinetic parameters. 9. Which amino acid is most commonly phosphorylated in signal transduction pathways? Tyrosine, histidine, glycine, methionine. Answer. Tyrosine along with serine and threonine is often phosphorylated to regulate protein function in signaling cascades.
Hello future scientists and life science warriors. Are you preparing for the CSIR NET Life Science exam and feeling overwhelmed with what to study, how to practice, and where to start? Well, it's time to level up your preparation with the most loved online coaching platform, Shomu's Biology. Join thousands of successful aspirants who trust Shomu's Biology for expert-led guidance, crystal clear concept explanations, and strategic preparation. From unit-wise mastery to exam-targeted practice, we've got everything you need under one roof. Want daily practice questions like the one you just saw? Get our daily CSIR NET practice page exclusively on the Shomu's Biology app. Just download it from the Google Play Store and start your practice today. Need more support? We offer online test series, live online coaching, study materials shipped to your door. Just call us at 9804654228 and we'll get you started on the right path. This is more than just preparation. This is your launch pad to a career in science. So don't wait. Join Shomu's Biology and let's crack CSIR Net Life Science together.